It goes really bright. It goes, oh, blinded me. All right, all right, all right. Calm down.
What if I was a creep?
What's up, YouTube? It's Aaliyah, and we're back with another video for today. If you're new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button because, like, why haven't you? I don't get why you haven't pushed it already. Like, since the intro. And if you're already a part of the family, like, welcome back, sis. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back, all right? So, as you see by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Neewer ring light. And guys, if you have been following me on this journey since the beginning, you already know that I record off my iPhone and I record in front of my windowsill. That's my ring light. But you know what? I decided to buy myself and treat myself with a ring light for Christmas. So we're gonna just get into that real quick. So here's this big box that I have right here, y'all. Like, it is huge. It is freaking heavy. So it is freaking raining outside right now. Like, I was even debating on making this video because it's freaking ugly outside right now, guys. Like, look at this. There's no sunlight. And it's just horrible right now. I was even debating on recording this video, but you know what? Since it's raining and we're doing a ring light review, you know what I'm saying? I think this kind of goes hand in hand because you can actually see if it actually works or not. And because I'm not like directly like in front of the sun, it's just natural lighting. So here we go. I believe this is even the first time I ever like stood up in a video for you guys, so. All right, so we're gonna get on the floor with us today because I don't feel like standing up and like lifting up this box to show you guys everything, but don't mind my room. It's kind of like a little bit messy, not really. So I already opened this before, so I know what everything looks like, but I'm just gonna open it up again because, yeah, so let's just get right into it. So when you first open it, there's this. The Neewer bag. So that's all that comes in the box. You get this box and then you get the Neewer bag. And I'm like so happy that I have this bag because when I go off to college, I could just pack everything in this and it's simple, it's easy, and I don't have to like carry the whole thing around. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I bought the 18-inch Neewer ring light. Get these two things right here, and then we're gonna open up the Neewer bag to see what's inside. So guys, this is the ring light. Like, look how nice this is. I'm gonna get up close and personal to show you guys. So like, as you can see, all these different LED lights right here. Like, y'all, this is nice. Look how elegant this is. Like, it just looks so good. You know what I'm saying? This just looks great. All right. In this box, you have two different filters. You have the regular, I guess, white light filter, and then you have this orange one. You have a set of instructions in here. Parts that you attach to the ring light itself. This part obviously goes into the wall and this part goes into the ring light. We're gonna go over that. So in the box, it actually has everything listed on what you have. This is very helpful, and it even has like a nice picture on the back to show you everything that you're supposed to get as well. So like, let's say if they forget something, get your stuff, sis. So they want you to fold this down like so. Okay, there we go. We got it somewhere. We got it somewhere. After you fold the legs down, you're just gonna pull the pole up, and then you're going to twist it away from you to lock it. This is cool. So like, you can really adjust it like as high as you want it. All right, so the next step is take this piece right here. So for this part right here, I just wanted to say that you guys don't actually have to screw this piece on. It's just an extra piece where you can actually bend the stick so that the ring light is tilted. I ended up taking it off anyway. and it doesn't like have like a hole to go in, I guess so, because it just stays tight, like it's not going anywhere. You can see when I got mine, it was bent like this. So I'm just gonna show you guys. You just unloosen this, pull it down to whatever, however you want it, and then you just tighten it, and then as you can see, it's straight. It's not going anywhere. Then we're gonna loosen out the bottom so that way we can put it on the stand. Jesus. So I just brought it back down. So I just twisted this onto here, and it's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And if this is like moving too much, you just tighten it, and it stays really sturdy. Like I said before, you have two of these. This one goes into your ring light, and then this piece goes into the wall. So we're just gonna connect those two together. So now we're gonna attach the color filters. And I was so confused at first because I thought the little parts were supposed to go like on the inside, but literally I'm about to show y'all. Ready? Ready? Okay. So literally, here's this. You see these little things right here? They don't go like inside the ring light. They go like on top. So watch. Like this. See how it's like hanging off of it? Like that. You want to make sure the little stick out parts are like on the outside of the ring light. And then you just push. But here we go. So on the back of the ring light, you have this little piece right here. This little piece right here. And literally all you're gonna do is take this mount right here, and you're just going to slide it in the ring light. I had to like unscrew it a little bit just so I can get it on. But literally, then you just slide it in there like so. And then you have this piece for the phone. We're just gonna unscrew the back and then tighten it so that it's up straight. Just like that. And then if you want to unloosen it, hold on. You tighten up the back when you have it as straight as you want it to be. And then boom. So now I'm gonna switch you guys from my tripod to my ring light, and then we're gonna show you guys the finished product. All right, so I officially switched you guys over to my ring light. As you can see, this is just me being directly in front of my window. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I could cry right now. Like, I'm so happy that I have a ring light. Like, oh my God. All right, so this is what it looks like, and I'm going to turn on the ring light for you guys in a second so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna turn off my little overlight lamp right here so you can see the difference as well. So this is me just directly in front of my window. Well, at the bottom left of the ring light, it has a dimmer, like to actually turn on the light. So are you guys ready? Like, I feel like we reached a milestone in my channel right now. Like, I could cry. What? So this is just like the first setting. Y'all, like, I have no excuse now. I have no excuse. I have to record a video. Like, if I don't record a video, y'all gonna have to come after me. But this is just the first setting. This is no light in my room, as you can see. And then we're gonna turn on the light in my room to see the difference. So this is with the ring light on and with the lamp on in my room. And we're just going to turn it up a little bit brighter. Whoa. Do y'all see that difference? Look, ready? Y'all. So then here's it with a little bit brighter, and we're gonna keep going. It goes really bright. It goes, oh, you blinded me. All right, calm down. Y'all, look at this. I love this right here. Like, what? Y'all, I'm so happy right now. Like, look, and I'm gonna close my curtains, like, for real. This is me with the ring light off, and then I just have the light on, my lamp on, and then the curtains are closed. So this is just how it looks. And watch, y'all, I literally have no excuse right now. Like, you can record a video at any time of the day with this ring light. Like, I'm so happy. It can even get brighter. Like, do y'all see this right now? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Like, y'all, look at this. And it gets just brighter and brighter. Like, like, I'm so happy. So, y'all, I'm just gonna leave it on right now. As you can see, this ring light is the stuff. I'm gonna turn off the light, use the ring light, and I'm gonna show you guys that. This is no natural lighting. This is not my lamp. This is the ring light right here. Like, do y'all see this? Like, this is just the ring light. You have literally no excuse. You can record a video at any time of the day with this, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm so happy. So as you can see, this is my review on the Neewer ring light, 18-inch ring light, and I give it a 10 out of 10. Like, y'all, we about to be dropping mad different videos right now because I am so happy. Like, do y'all see this? Like, you see everything. Like, this is amazing. So I recommend getting this ring light, definitely. Like, y'all need to get this ring light. And I also wanted to just talk about something else different. If you guys are starting off, if you're new to YouTube, you do not need a ring light. Like, as I said before, I started off recording in front of my window, and I'm about to show y'all the DIY ring light that I made right here with a wreath hanger thing, some lights, and some wax paper. Like, y'all, you do not need to buy a ring light. Just saying. So for this ring light, I paid $84.99. And usually it's $100, I believe, but I bought it on Saturday, the day after Black Friday, when there was still like sales and stuff going on. That's it. If you have any questions, comment down below with anything. I'm so excited, and I'm so happy that I finally bought myself a ring light. I remember just depending on the sun. Now you don't need to because you have the Neewer ring light, so get you yours. Not sponsored, but yeah. So anyways, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and hope to see you guys in the next one.